What is freelancing? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting ways to work, freelancing. If you've ever wondered what freelancing is all about or how it can change your life, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into it. So, what exactly is freelancing? In simple terms, freelancing is a way of working where you are self-employed and offer your services to clients or companies on a project-by-project basis. Instead of being tied to a single employer, freelancers have the freedom to work with multiple clients simultaneously. You have control over your own schedule, allowing you to work when and where you want. Whether it's working from the comfort of your own home, a cozy coffee shop, or even while traveling the world, the choice is yours. Another advantage of freelancing is the ability to choose the projects you want to work on. You can leverage your skills and passions to select projects that truly excite you. Now, let's talk about how to get started as a freelancer. The first step is to identify your skills and determine the services you can offer. Are you a writer, a graphic designer, a programmer, or maybe even a social media manager? Once you have a clear idea, you can start building your portfolio to showcase your work. Networking is key in the world of freelancing. Connect with other professionals in your industry, attend conferences and meetups, and engage with online communities. Building relationships can lead to referrals and new opportunities that can help grow your freelancing career. When it comes to finding clients, there are numerous platforms available. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are popular choices where you can create a profile, showcase your skills, and bid on projects. Additionally, social media platforms such as LinkedIn and Instagram can also be effective for attracting clients and promoting your work. As a freelancer, it's essential to continuously upgrade your skills and stay up to date with industry trends. The freelance market is competitive, and clients are always looking for professionals who can deliver top-notch work. Invest in your professional development by taking online courses, attending webinars, and staying informed about the latest tools and techniques in your field. It's crucial to mention that freelancing also comes with its own set of challenges. Make sure to plan and budget accordingly to ensure financial stability. Lastly, always maintain clear communication with your clients. Establish expectations, deadlines, and deliverables up front. Having a written contract is highly recommended to avoid any misunderstandings or disputes down the road. Good communication builds trust and helps foster long-term client relationships. And that wraps up our quick overview of freelancing. It's in. Thanks for watching.